I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select VBOUT. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit VBOUT API console. Then click on API integrations under General Information. Copy this and paste it on Authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose List. Choose Contact Status. Now map the fields. Here is the advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to VBOUT. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now let's go to the VBOUT. Here is the data that came into VBOUT through the integration. Thanks for watching.